Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice the sensation of your body pressing against the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your shoulders dropping. Breathe in calm and breathe out any immediate tension. Allow your jaw to soften and your forehead to smooth out. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a lush, ancient forest. The air is cool and smells of damp earth and silver pine. As you walk down a soft, mossy path, you feel the gentle, filtered sunlight warming your skin. You come to a crystal clear stream bubbling over smooth gray stones. This is your place of release. In your hands, you find that you are carrying several heavy, dark stones. Each stone represents a worry, a deadline, or a moment of pressure you've been carrying recently. Notice the weight of these stones in your palms. Feel how they have tired your arms and burdened your spirit. One by one, allow yourself to let go. Drop the first stone into the water. Watch as the current catches it, washing away the weight until the stone is just part of the riverbed, distant and small. Release another. Feel your shoulders lighten as the heavy energy leaves your body and merges with the water. Now, step into the shallow edge of the stream. The water is a perfect, refreshing temperature. As it flows over your feet and ankles, imagine it is rinsing away the invisible layers of stress from your skin. See the tension swirling away in the current, moving downstream, far away from your presence. You are becoming lighter, more translucent, as if the very air could lift you. The forest breathes with you. The trees stand tall, undisturbed by the wind, and you find that same stillness within your own heart. Allow yourself to let go of the need to do and simply be. Now repeat these affirmations silently in your mind, letting them resonate through your body. I am at peace with this moment. I release all that I cannot control. I am grounded, steady, and safe. My mind is clear, and my body is deeply relaxed. I choose to let go of yesterday and trust in the flow of today. Every breath I take nourishes my soul and calms my spirit. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel the floor or chair beneath you once again. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, inviting gentle movement back into your limbs. Take one final deep breath, filling your lungs with fresh, vibrant energy. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of quiet strength and total release with you as you move forward.